Today, we take a look at the GUI for setting up external software for the NLP suite. The NLP suite relies on 6 external softwares, which are Stanford CoreNLP, Gephi, Google Earth Pro, Java JDK, Mallet, and WordNet. Before we start, it's important to note that Gephi, Mallet, and Stanford CoreNLP, all 3 are reliant on Java JDK to work, and as such, you should download that one to run all 3 of them. Otherwise, they won't work. Additionally, Google Earth Pro relies on an API key, which you can get for free when you register for Google Earth. More information on that in the tips files below in the GUI, which will help you set up each of these softwares individually. When you open it at first, the GUI will instantly warn you about the external software that you're missing. You may notice that out of the 6, it only shows for me that 5 of them are missing. That is because I already have Java JDK installed, and the NLP suite searches my entire computer to see if Java JDK is present, and if it is, it won't need it for me to install it again. Whereas the others have to be in a specific directory. So once I have that warning, I can click on OK, and I have access to the GUI. As you can tell, the first widget shows me the missing external software, and it will list them: Stanford CoreNLP, Gephi, Google Earth Pro, Mallet, and WordNet. It won't consider Java JDK as a part of them. If I click on Open Configuration File on the right, you will see that I have the softwares. The paths are missing, which means they're not on my machine. And here you have the links which allow you to download each of those software individually. Going back here. Now, to download a software, you'll want to go to the second widget, Software Download, and you will choose one of them. And I will walk you through the download process. So here, let's try Stanford CoreNLP. If I am to click on it, it will show me this option. After downloading Stanford CoreNLP, double-click on the download file to unarchive it. This is essentially the instruction that I'm about to explain to you. You will first unarchive the file, and then you will attach it to a directory for the installation. So once I click on OK, it will take me on the website to download Stanford CoreNLP. I've already downloaded it, and I will now walk you through the process. So if I go on my drive and go to my downloads, as you can see, I have Stanford CoreNLP right here. So I'll right-click on it, click on Extract All, and I'll get to choose a directory. In my case, for simplicity's sake, I'll choose the desktop. Select folder, extract. It's taking a second. And it's extracted. Once it is, I can go back to the suite. Here. Now the suite will prompt me to select directory for Stanford CoreNLP, which is where I have it. That's the installation process. So I can click on OK, and it will open this window right here, on which I should select Stanford CoreNLP. So since I had it in my desktop, I will look for it in my desktop, and here it is. I'll go and select folder. I'll click on that folder, go to select folder, and now, as you can see, it appeared in the widget below, the installation widget. That means that Stanford CoreNLP is now fully set up. If I wish to look at the page where I downloaded it from, I can click on this widget, Open Software Website. If I want to see the path where I have it installed, I can click on this widget to open external software directory. You should repeat this process with all of the external software. And once you are done, you can click on Close here. And this will ask you to save your options below. You will click on Yes, and your configuration has been successful. For more information on the individual external software, specifically Google Earth Pro and the API key, please visit the tips files below. Thank you for watching.